Introducing Sta-Kleen Silicone Digital Prints, the future of faux leather. Sta-Kleen Silicone digital prints are made with water-based inks. They are eco-friendly, non-toxic, stain-resistant, easily cleaned, and the new digital print collection offers the same environmental, performance, and cleaning qualities as our award-winning Sta-Kleen Silicone fabrics. Block print features a texture inspired by wooden block printing. Compose is inspired by paper-cut collage with large linen circles. Ellipse has whimsical shapes and a background of small circles. Enrich features uneven rows that resemble a collage of ripped paper. LINO Circles has woven textured circles with a solid background. Serendipity is a geometric multicolored print. And Wend has an interlocking chain link look.